Looking for the absolute best Telegram channels to join? Whether you want breaking news, hot tech deals, fascinating science facts, or just to discover new online communities, this video is going to show you exactly how to find and join top Telegram channels, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search, preview, and join the channels that match your interests perfectly, so let's get started. First things first, let's talk about using Telegram's in-app global search. This is hands down the easiest and most direct way to find popular, public channels tailored to whatever you're interested in. And if you haven't explored this feature before, you're in for a treat. It basically turns Telegram into a search engine for communities. So open up your Telegram app. If you haven't updated Telegram in a while, you might want to do that now just to make sure you see all the latest features and results. Once you're in, you'll notice a search bar right at the top of your chats list. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and tap that search bar. Now here, where the magic happens, type in keywords related to the type of channels you're looking for. For example, if you're into artificial intelligence, try searching AI news. Love movies, try movie updates. Or maybe you're after some great shopping deals, in which case tech deals might be perfect. You get the idea, just use words or phrases that really reflect your interests. As you start typing, Telegram will instantly show you results under global search. These aren't just your personal chats or contacts, these are public channels from around the world that match your keywords. Pay attention to the subscriber counts listed next to each channel. Generally, channels with higher subscriber counts are more active and trusted, though sometimes smaller channels can be hidden gems too. Don't be afraid to explore both. When you find a channel that catches your eye, tap on it. You don't join the channel right away, instead you get a preview of its recent posts and overall vibe. This is super helpful. It's like being able to flip through a magazine before you buy it. Take a minute here, look at the quality and frequency of the content, see if it looks trustworthy, and check if the topics line up with what you're actually looking for. If it looks good and you want to join, you'll see a join button at the bottom of the preview. Just tap it and boom, you're in. The channel will now show up right in your chat list so you can keep up with updates whenever you open Telegram. You can always leave a channel later if it's not what you expected, so there's no risk in checking things out. And here's a quick pro tip. Once you get comfortable with using global search, try mixing up your keywords. Sometimes searching for broader topics gives you lots of options, while more specific keywords help you find very niche or specialized communities. Experiment a bit and you'll discover some fantastic channels you might never have found otherwise. So that's how you can easily unlock the best Telegram channels out there, all using just the built-in search, no complicated tricks or outside websites required. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions about finding or joining Telegram channels, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on guides just like this. See you in the next one.